Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cordless work light from Parkside, the model PAS4000A1 without power adapter. We have two batteries, lithium ion 3.7 volt 2000 mAh, total 4000 mAh, illumination time 2 to 6 hours, charging time about 4 hours with 3 different modes, cable included, 600 lumen, Leon technology, 3 years warranty, and let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Extra large illumination area, targeted lighting, all round lighting, okay? Definitely you can use it at your car. Wow, that is huge. We have and the manual, if you want to read is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. The cable length, it is 1 meter, type A to type C, you need a power adapter, 5 volt to amp, the type C port. We have two lights, one here and another one here, one on off button and another one on off button, charge indicator 4, and here, 2 type C, so you need to charge these lights separately. The handle, adjustable, magnetic handle, both, very soft material, here, I like that. The unlock button, press and you can remove that, so you can have one light. Magnet here and here, I just love it. Adjustable, and you can rotate, so many adjustments. The connection for the power, so you can use it only with one button. Yep, correct. Three different modes: high, medium 50% and 25%, and off. And we can see the indicators here. So if you want to charge this light together, you can do that only with one cable. There it is. But if you want to separate the one light from the other, then you need to use a second cable. There it is keep charging. That's why we have these connections inside here. Unplug, plug in here, and it's charging. And if I'm going to connect again, it will start charging and the other unit. So it doesn't matter if you want to use this type C or this type C to charge both together. And of course you can unfold to cover larger area. Use both magnets and install it just like that with the magnets. And of course, as I show you, you can adjust that. Wow, amazing. Oh, strong magnets. Definitely I will try the magnets. So let's find out the brightness at the night. That is the most important. The level of the brightness. Well, I just love it, how it works, this flashlight. But before testing, fully charge it. Features a rotating and tilting light head for directional lighting, allowing you to position the light exactly where you need it. Adjustable stand for stable positioning on a variety of surfaces, with strong magnets to hold the lamp securely to any metal surface. built to withstand tough work environments with a durable housing made of impact-resistant plastic, designed to handle minor bumps and exposure to dust or debris, making it ideal for construction sites, for car maintenance and outdoor use. The work light comes with multiple brightness settings to accommodate various lighting needs and help conserve battery life when full brightness isn't necessary. Is a versatile and powerful portable work light designed for illuminating workspaces, especially in low light conditions. This model offers the convenience of cordless operation, making it ideal for use in garages, workshops, construction sites, or any location where power outlets may not be readily accessible. With a high output and flexible design, it's a valuable tool for both professional and DIY users. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips, and project inspiration. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bright, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.